Hi, Sarah here. I have an unboxing video for you today. I am lucky enough to have been asked to guest design this month for Thompsons Craft Supplies, and I've been sent the kit. I've also got a couple of add-ons to show you as well. This is the July kit. So without further ado, I will open it up and show you what I got. Okay, so here's the kit. This is called Tropical Paradise. As you can see the beautiful colours running through this. There's a peachy, orange, pink and aqua colours running through the papers, and then lots of tropical flowers and things on that first one. So I'm going to quickly move all this off and I'll show you the papers first. First off, we have this beautiful tropical paper here. It's by Minty and the collection is Paradise. So there's lots of beautiful flowers and some seashells in there as well. And then the reverse is this distressed wood grain. The second paper we have here is by the same company and the same collection. And we have beautiful cut parts on the A side here. And then on the opposite side we have frames that could be cut apart as well. Or so you could add photos or you could leave them just as they are. Next, from the same company again, we have this sheet here, which is lots and lots of images that you could cut out and turn into ephemera, which I'm really bad at. I'm going to be totally honest there, I'm really bad at fussy cutting. My eyesight I just go a bit cross-eyed, to be honest. And the other side to this is this beautiful nautical kind of, it looks sort of like waves or like ropes. There's like a little dot to the paper and then it's just got slightly different shades of aqua. Again, that's the same company, so those three are all from Minty and the collection is Paradise. And the next two are by ManxyCatCrafts and it's from Paradise Found collection. This one is called Chase the Sun. It's got these big beautiful florals on it. And the reverse for this is a kind of like a blurred tropical scene, like a photograph. That is it Bokeh style when they do that kind of light effect. And then there is a branding strip at the bottom that's got a phrase on. And then the next one and final paper is again ManxyCatCrafts Paradise Found collection. This one is called Tides, and again it's a photograph one. I love this one. I'll definitely be using this as a full sheet with a wave coming in. And then the reverse of this one is lots and lots of quotes that you could use if you didn't want to do the beach as a background. And again, there's a branding strip with a phrase at the bottom as well. So that is the papers. Next up, I'll show you the textured pieces that we have. So we have some of this. Is it called Caesar this? Or Raffia? I'm not sure. I can't remember the name of it, but it's a lovely kind of straw effect. So you could use this to add texture to a background. You could probably even weave it in and out of holes if you punch holes into things, or use it at the top of a tag to get a nice natural finish rather than just ribbon. So we get a whole load of that. We have these beautiful fabric flowers here, which do come on as a bunch, but you could trim them off and use them separately. You could also trim them right back and just use the top of the flower and not the stem. And there's a big bunch of those there. And there's these beautiful little roses in a nice aqua colour. These are on a wired stem, and with these ones you can actually twist these around, say something thin like a pokey tool or a paintbrush, and get a twirly stem to them, which looks nice. So we have those, and we also have these beautiful leaves that have got a nice shimmer to them as well. We've got quite a few of these. Separate them out a bit. See, they're all joined together at the moment, but there's quite a few of them here. With a lovely shimmer on them. Next up we have these lovely chipboards. There's 3 this time, so there's loads to use, and obviously you can paint these to match your backgrounds and add them in with the flowers to create nice clusters. This one I adore. It's got some beautiful hummingbirds on there, as well as some flowers and leaves. Next we have this one, which has got pineapple, citrus. It says paradise. It's got some leaves and flowers on it as well. And finally this one has paradise, sun and sea. It's got a drink, sunglasses, some flowers and some leaves as well. We have this lovely stencil here which matches perfectly to the chipboards and the background papers. And this one is hibiscus, and it's a KaiserCraft one. There's this beautiful spray, and this is two-tone, so it's blue and green. I don't know if the camera will pick it up that well, but you can kind of see the two-tone in real life quite well. And it's got a beautiful shimmer to it. Next we have some deco topping quartz, and there's 2 colours here. There's a red and an orange, or a pink and an orange. I'll open them up and show you what they look like inside. So they're really heavy. You get a ton in there, but the actual grains are like about the thickness of glitter. And they're really beautiful colours. Unfortunately my lighting is a little dark. In real life they are a little brighter. They're not fluorescent, but they're definitely a little brighter than they're coming off on my camera. Up there, I think that's a better colour there. So there's both of those to use, so you could actually mix the 2 colours together as well and see what you get from that. Maybe you might give a bit of a peachy kind of hue to it. Another mixed media product again here. We have this beautiful 2-tone. It's like a pale pink, yellowy gold, and I think the camera's picking up how it changes colour. And finally we have these. It's half a packet of the Prima crystals. I don't know which collection this one is. Golden Coast, I think it says. So you've got a gold one in there, some peachy oranges and pink and blue, which works so beautifully with the colours. And that is the main part of the kit. So as you can see, the colours just look gorgeous together. I do have a few add-ons, so I'll show you them now. First off, I did get some extra ephemera. The colours are, some of these colours are slightly different from the kit. As you can see, there is some lilac in there. But because I'm really bad at fussy cutting, I thought I would get hold of a bit of extra ephemera. As you can see, there's some lovely orange that will work well. I'm sure I can make most of the pieces here work. And these are again Fabrica Decor. This one's Sunny Orchard, and there's 49 pieces in there. I did also get hold of some of the Golden Coast Satin crystals. I know that I will go through a lot of flowers, a lot of gems. I am pretty embellishment heavy with the things that I make, so I did get an extra pack of these. I also asked Louise to make me up a selection of flowers. You can get selections of flowers, and you can get smaller, medium, large collections, and you can have them colour, like you can have them all one colour. You can choose which colours you want, and I asked if she would make me up some flowers that would go well with the kit, so I have some here. And I think this one was the £10 one. So as you can see there, I've got lots and lots of beautiful flowers in pinks, oranges and aqua and white. It will go perfectly with the kit. I also got hold of some of the modelling material. This is for creating your own embellishments. So I have got this already, and I have also ordered some of the Prima moulds that haven't arrived just yet, but I do have this one. So I might use these butterflies, probably the smaller ones maybe, but I'll definitely experiment with them and see how I get on with this. So that's some moulds by Stampera. I'm an ink spray addict, so I have got some of the Distress Oxide sprays. I've got some of the ink pads and the re-inkers, but I don't have any of the sprays. I wasn't sure whether to get them or not, because I do have lots and lots of Distress sprays and Dilution sprays. But because these behave so differently from the sprays I already have, I thought I'd give these a go as well. And of course I got them in colours to match my kit, and then if I really like them, then I'll just probably end up getting them all, as you do. So I have Twisted Citron, Broken China, Squeezed Lemonade and Picked Raspberry, which goes amazingly with the kit. And finally I have these waxes here. I have them in Peacock, Mint Sparkle, Blue Lagoon and Sweet Rose, because I thought these would go really well with the kit as well, and I've never used these before, so I'm looking forward to trying them out. I think these will work very well with the modelling material, and just to rub over, say, embellishments and edges around canvases, things like that. So I'll definitely be having a go with those. Finally, I do have an extra wax. This one is the Mint Sparkle one, and what I'll be doing is doing a giveaway. So if you would like to win this, all you have to do is leave me a comment below in this video and just say what your favourite part of summer is, and I will randomly choose a winner. It has to be only in the UK, I'm afraid, because postage internationally is absolutely extortionate from the UK, so it is UK only, I am afraid, for this one. So if you'd like to win that, just leave me a comment below and I will choose a winner probably in a week or so. So that is everything that I got. I did get quite a lot of extra mixed media bits here. I'm really looking forward to making some things with this, and there will be my first video creating with this kit on Monday, which is the second Monday of the month, which will be the 8th, I believe. I best check. Yes, Monday the 8th will be my first project, and I'll be doing one every Monday for the rest of the month. So thanks for joining me. Do like and subscribe if you want to see what I do make with all these things and see me experiment with these waxes. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll go and check out Thompsons craft supplies and get hold of this gorgeous summery kit, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.